Hi everyone, this is a session of unit 3rd. In that part 8, we're going to discuss in this video periodic trends in chemical properties. Most of the trends in chemical properties of elements such as diagonal relationships, inner pair effects, effect of lanthanide contractions, detail with along the discussion of each groups in later units. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಆಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಾಡಿಸಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ valency or oxidation state, and B, anomalous properties of second period elements, only the consideration of second period, and chemical reactivity. Okay, let me go for the first one, periodicity of valence or oxidation state. Okay, valence. What is the meaning of valence? Combining capacity of an atom. The term oxidation sometimes referred to as oxidation state, also oxidation number. It's defined as the degree of oxidation means loss of electron of an atom in a chemical compound. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು chemical compound ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂಥ electrons. The oxidation state, which may be positive or sometimes negative or zero also. Okay, so let me, nowadays the term oxidation state is frequently used for valence. Valence anta kuda naveega karita idivi. Okay, consider the two oxygen containing compounds like OF2, Na2O. Okay, so in these two compounds having three elements, which are those oxygen, fluorine and sodium. Okay, so order of reactivity is fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen. This is more electronegative than sodium. Okay students, did you know electronegativity of fluorine is high than these two? Because in the last video you did not know that, please watch that video. The electronegativity of fluorine is 4.0. It is 3.5. Did you remember? Always the fluorine is high electronegative value because they have attract the electrons easily. It is greater ability to attract the electrons having fluorine. Okay, that's why the fluorine value is high, then the electronegativity order is high. Okay, the fluorine, the atomic number is 9. So electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, E5. Okay, so what about oxygen is 8. So electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 4, 6, 8. Then sodium is 7. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Okay, just observe the outer electronic configuration of fluorine. This is outer electron configuration, this is outer electron configuration. Okay, so first example like barana. So OF2. Okay, here the fluorine outer electron configuration is 2s2, 2p5. So S is completely filled. So P ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದೆ 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means sharing one electron with oxygen in the OF molecules, being highest electronegative element. ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ಗೆ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ NS2 NP6 ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಸೀಸ್ electron field 2s, this is 2p, how much electron, 4, 1 2 3 4, they have 2 electron sharing. So in this type of conditions there are 2 fluorine atoms in these molecules. Oxygen outer electron configuration is 2s2 2p4, sharing 2 electrons with fluorine atoms, thereby exhibit oxidation state is +2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ನು 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಡೀಟೈಲ್. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಔಟರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್, they make what lone pair of electrons ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 2 + 6 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ಬಿಟಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಫಿಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್, ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟೆಡ್ 4 is 2p4. ಸೊ 4 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ, 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್, ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ 1 electron to the oxygen and one more fluorine is sharing with 1 electron with oxygen to get bond, chemical bond. This is called oxidation. So fluorine having, fluorine is 2, that is -2, this is +2, this is chemically equal sharing, but oxygen atom +2 oxidation state, fluorine -1 oxidation state. Oxygen containing one more example, Na2O. See here, so Na having outer electron configuration is 1 electron. Oxygen, do notice this 2s2 2p4. So p orbital having 1 2 3 4 2 electrons ಇದೆ. So oxygen outer 1 2 3 4, sodium capacity is donate the 1 electron. outer electron configuration ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು electrons ಇದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ. So only donate 1 electrons. So here 1 sodium and 1 sodium. So they gave what, octet rule. This is sodium of 1 electron, oxygen of 1 electron, they have shared to get bond, covalent bond. Here also covalent bond. This is what, Na 1 and 2. So here ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 electrons ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಲೋನ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್. ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್, ಆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್. ಆಕ್ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 8 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ಇಯರ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 ಆಯಿತಾ. NS2 NP6 ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇಮ್ 1 2 3 4 5 6, ಬಟ್ 2s2 ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ electrons. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ರೈಟ್ ಅನ್ this is giving also 8 electrons. Clear? Okay, in this compound Na2O, oxygen is more electronegative than sodium. ಸೊ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ನ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇನ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ Na2O, so oxygen is more electronegative than sodium. So oxygen accept the 2 electrons from sodium, then make octet rule. So ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, -2, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟೆಡ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್, 2 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, on the other hand the electron configuration of sodium is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. the one electron is loss ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. one sodium is losses of one electron. So sodium is losses one electron. This is carries plus 1. ಬಟ್ ಅಂಥವೆಷ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎರಡು ಸೋಡಿಯಂ atoms or losses the electrons to forming a stable electron configuration of Na2O. So here this is plus 2, this is minus 2. Overwrite equation, but sodium atom plus 1 is oxidation state, oxygen atom minus 2 oxidation state. So here also same case, in that oxygen and fluorine, so which one is more electronegative? The fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, right? So fluorine more electronegativity ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳುತ್ತೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ, 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಸೊ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಯಿತು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ -1. ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್? ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಫ್ಲೋರಿನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್, 2 electrons donated to stable formation of OF2. So plus 2 charges. Oxidation state is plus 2, fluorine is -1. They make what? Already I said this is obey the octet rule. 8 electrons irbeku. Okay students, so this is a chart group 1, 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Number of valence electrons. ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 1, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 2. ಓಕೆ, ಗ್ರೂಪ್ 1 ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್, ಆಲ್ಕಲಿ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಪಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ 13 to 18, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so number of valence electrons 1, it is belong with the first group. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The valence, number of valence electrons, the valence, how much? This is valence means what we call oxidation state. It is 1, 4, this 4, this is 3 and 5, 2 and 6, 1 and 7, 0 and 8. How they are forms? Okay students, group 1 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರ್ತದೆ, ಆಲ್ಕಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್, lithium iodide, one of the example. Formula of hydride with combination of hydride molecules, lithium hydride, sodium hydride, potassium hydride. Okay, so one example is lithium hydride. Okay, ಒಂದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. So same as like remaining over. So lithium atomic number is 3. So 1s2, 2s1. So outer electron configuration carries 1 electron. ಸೊ 1 ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 more electron is joined to get this become stable. ಸೊ lithium 3 electrons ಇದೆ. ಸೊ in the case of lithium and hydrogen, which one is more electronegative? This lithium is more electronegative. Lithium attract the electrons from hydrogen. Hydrogen is only the 1 electron. This is 1s1. So 1 electron ಇದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, so 1 electron of hydrogen and lithium, 1 electron lithium, 1 electron hydrogen. So oxidation state ಏನಿದೆ, either +1 or -1. So this is indicated 1. Okay, so hydrogen ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು, this is loss, and lithium having gain, so this is -1 oxidation state. That's why the oxidation we mentioned 1. Same as like sodium hydride. Sodium hydride, the sodium is 3s1 outer electron configuration, accept the 1 H electrons, that make what, this is completely fulfilled. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So, okay, we're looking for 15th group. 15th group, they give 3 and 5. Oxidation state is 2. How they are forms? Okay, one of the example of 15th group is sodium, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony. So in that, nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p, atomic number is 7, nitrogen 1. Okay, so look at that chart. So many examples were there: NH3, PH3, ASH3, like. Okay, so here just you look at outer electron configuration of nitrogen is 2s2, 2p3. So 2p3, it make what? 3 electrons. P referred what? 3 orbitals, 1, 2, 3 there. Okay, 3 electrons are combined to get what? 2s2, 2p6. This is make what? Stable. So 3 electrons were joining to get stable electron configuration. 3 electrons were joining means more number of electrons, indicated oxidation state of nitrogen, means say what? 15th groups. Oxidation state -3, extra 3 electrons ಆಯ್ತು. So one more condition, the 3 electrons were losses. ಲಾಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸ್ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ವಾಟ್? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2s is completely filled. The losses to get +3 oxidation state. Then one more condition, all the outer electron configuration of 2s2, 2p3, 5 electrons were losses. ಇಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ 5 electron were losses to get stable electron configuration. That make what? Losses is +5. That make what? Indicated here 3 and 5, 15th group, they giving oxidation state 3 and 5, same as like 16, 2 and 6, 17, 1 and 7, and 18, 0 and 8. How they are form of oxidation state? Very simple rule. Just to look at of these two important point. Valence form. How they are form valence? The valence of representative element is usually equal to the number of electrons in the outermost orbital. outermost orbitals ಅಲ್ಲಿ most electrons ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇರ್ತವೋ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ದಿ 8 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ outermost electrons. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ 8 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ outermost electron, 8 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ. 8 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 8 minus 5, this is 3. Okay, this type of two formation of valence. The chart is indicated formula of hydrates and formula of oxide, just to be exhibit variable valence oxidation state. Try to understand. Okay, next we go into the anomalous properties of second period elements.